Good evening, everyone. I'm happy to introduce our speaker, founder of Noble Transformation Hub, self taught computer scientist and artificial intelligence scientist, and superconscious expert who work with global Fortune 500 company, General Electric, and Wipro Technologies. He has been doing transformation skills development programs and research on business case studies, 21st century skills, future skills, and technology research from the last 14 years globally. He has done 400 plus business and technology trainings programs from Harvard Medical School and Harvard University, other organizations. He spent around $75,000 on his career and courses, certifications, and global project based skills. He has been doing research on computer architecture, quantum computing, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and future technologies. He believes in win win decision making and achieves the goals, objectives as per the lifelong vision. Also, he is an active athlete. He's been participating in Wipro runs and other marathons for the last 10 years. I humbly welcome Dr. Noble Arya, sir, starting this event, Reinforcement Learning Use Cases, organized by AI and Robotics Club. Now I request everyone to keep yourself muted, and at the end of the session, we will have the Q&A. Thank you, sir. I hand it over to you now.
Thank you so much, everyone, and I'm really honored to share my experience and skills and knowledge with you guys because you are future leaders, and we all need to work towards uh, this mission to create new innovative technologies, applications, projects, and all these things. So reinforcement learning can be applied in engineering. It's very deep subject. It's very deep. Okay. Reinforcement learning can be applied in news recommendations, like Netflix is doing that. And all the newspapers they have started doing. Facebook is doing that. Reinforcement learning in gaming, reinforcement learning in real time reinforcement learning in application marketing and advertisement. Facebook already does it. YouTube also does it. If you target a specific market, a specific audience, so they do the retargeting. It is already done. And if you have certain interests, so they will see what interests you have, and then you put interest while you're making an ad. So they are already using it. And reinforcement learning is used in robotics manipulation, and there's a lot of research. Okay, so there are other aspects. So if like I think let's do Q&A, and it's very deep, and I can speak years and months on this single subject, because I can see everywhere, I feel everywhere reinforcement learning, and I know I want to help humanity and make people understand that what they can do with all this knowledge and infinite knowledge. Yeah, yeah.